My favorite movie has to be Beetlejuice, and because spooky season is happening right now, let's go and do some Beetlejuice makeup. For this makeup, you're going to want to start off with a white base cosmetic. This cosmetic that I'm using is the Mayron brand. I'm using the Paradise palette, which is typically what I do use for a lot of my makeup. Make sure to also get your neck as well. You will probably have to apply 1 to 3 coats of this cosmetic, but what I also did was I mixed in a very, very small amount of a light green with this. After I mixed that in, I went and I powdered everything, and I put 1 more layer of white cosmetic over, and then powdered it again. Now, onto some purple cosmetic. I'm starting off really, really dark with this purple cosmetic. And then I'm using the sponge that I had the white cosmetic on, and I'm just going and pretty much blotting it out. I'm making it a bit lighter, going over my eyelids along with the under area of my eye, and then adding some purple cosmetic that is powdered. At the edges of your mouth, go and take green cosmetic and start off with a very, very light layer of this. Use a makeup brush that is semi-moist and semi-wet, and go and just kind of blot it out. It should really look kind of mossy because keep in mind Beetlejuice does have a mossy look on his face. Use your hand to go and pat out some of the makeup. Make sure to get where your hairline is, along with also where your temples are, and then go back with a darker green and start to stack the cosmetic. After that is stacked, you're going to want to go back with some purple onto your lips. Put some green into your hair, of course. You could always use spray instead of just the makeup that you have on hand. I'm just using more of the makeup that I have on hand, which is water activated, because it's going to be really easy to go and get out, and it also is pretty vibrant and does cover hair surprisingly well. Continue to go and add more cosmetic after the first layer of this dries, and then go back with a darker green and add some very small splotches to make the mossy look even more mossy. What I'm doing is I'm using a tooth-safe cosmetic that is activated with 99% isopropyl alcohol, putting some black cosmetic onto my teeth to make them look pretty gross, because keep in mind his teeth definitely do look pretty gross and it really solidifies the whole look. And after you're done with that, your makeup should look like this. Thank you all so much for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm posting 31 days of Halloween makeup and special effects makeup, and I hope to see you at my next video.